The hair on regular wigs may be composed of real hair or it may be manufactured from artificial substances. If a real and natural look is your main concern, then a wig with actual hair is probably the best option. For ease of maintenance and lower costs, however, a synthetic wig may be the better choice. Purchasing a custom-made or handmade artificial wig may prove to be a good compromise, as these wigs look natural but retain many of the convenience and cost benefits of real hair wigs. Individual aesthetic preferences are also key in wig purchases. The colors and styles of bald wigs vary widely, so you should consider whether you want to match your previous hairstyle or opt for a completely different appearance. Certain facial shapes are also better suited for certain hairstyles, so research in this area might be useful as well. Wig salon employees are another invaluable source of advice and tips. A bald wig may also refer to the synthetic caps that cover the hair with a skin-like substance and thus simulate a bald head. You should seek a bald wig cap that most closely matches your skin coloring. In addition, comfort and realism are important factors for these types of wigs, so varieties made from latex are a popular option because they fit tightly but snugly to the head. These skull caps come in a variety of sizes, so individuals should choose a size that will cover the entire hair span. A large or medium size is usually ideal because both will provide ample covering and prevent the cap from becoming uncomfortably tight. Size is an important factor in choosing any type of bald wig. One good rule of thumb is to choose a wig that does not bend the ears, as it will be too big. Conversely, a wig that is too small may cause scalp irritation or blood circulation issues.